Just got the kids down and now it's time to get dinner on the table. So here's what I'm working with. I got a bunch of batch cooked sauteed chicken, which I've made a video about this before. Super simple, basic sauteed chicken. Then what I did was before my kids' bath time and bedtime, I got a big jump on dinner by cooking down the vegetables, getting some quinoa made, and getting a tomato sauce going. Vegetables, sliced onion, red pepper, some mushrooms cooked down in butter and olive oil, tomato sauce that I already have cooking, quinoa. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put together a really quick chicken parmesan. So my chicken parmesan, I actually don't use breaded chicken. I use my sauteed chicken and it's so yummy. I'm gonna top it with that tomato sauce, the vegetables, melt some mozzarella cheese, and it's gonna be pretty good. So what I'm gonna do with the chicken, since all this stuff is cooked, I'm basically going to, since I prepped this stuff earlier before my kids' bath time and bedtime, I'm basically just gonna assemble it, heat it, and melt the cheese. Okay, so let's assemble this, and then we're just gonna pop it into a 350-degree oven. Get it all heated up, maybe 400 actually. We'll see what melts the cheese. So this is basically just to reheat all this and get the cheese melted. This is also really good the next day too if you have leftovers. My kids don't love tomato sauce yet, so I'm just making enough for my husband and I, and then a little extra piece in case we want a midnight snack. And then the other chicken I'll just have in the fridge to make into a bunch of other stuff. So I'm just gonna top these with the vegetables. Yum. Oh, this is gonna be so good. I love a ton of vegetables, as you guys probably know. So I'm just gonna pile that on there. Then we're just gonna top it with the cheese. And then once the cheese is melted, we'll sprinkle it with some minced Italian flat leaf parsley so it looks all pretty. So let's pop this in the oven and get this melted. So while that's heating up in the oven, I'm gonna get a jump on cleaning and get this broccoli all cooked up. Okay, dinner is ready. Yum. I'm gonna take that, I'm gonna pile it on top of some quinoa, put it with a little broccoli and a little arugula salad.